Hello everyone and welcome to the Texas Smithereens. Today's video shows a pesky pelican and us fishing in between occasional rain showers. Shoo, bird. Shoo. 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 Go away, bird. Swimming toward the bank. Little redfish. Good fish. Came off. A little nicer fish. I don't know what. Swimming redfish. When I start swimming right toward the shore here. The redfish. It's not a big one. I don't need a net. Very good. Well, that was a good thing.
You have that in your mouth, right?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
That was a good.
That wasn't the guy that's always been hanging around
No,
here.
because that one has a white head. I think this is our buddy.
Huh?
That's our buddy.
You got something?
I didn't think I did, but I guess I do. I just was reeling in to check my line.
I didn't see it bend over or anything.
That's a trout.
Trout.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Don't come. Okay. You want me to do it?
I can't do it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a bigger fish. Or tell me it is. How come it doesn't take the drag out?
I don't know. I need to check it after this. The drum.
At the edge here. There you go. And you twitchy over there again. That's up to you guys.
I say we gotta wait till you get bigger. I mean, we got fish in the freezer. I gotta watch out for this guy right there. See? He is bad.
As long as he's not hurt, I think he'll be okay.
Yeah. No, it's one of those blue catfish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Stay away from those pesky pelicans and be sure to like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next cast.